students! Welcome to our English online lesson. Today we are going to learn about myth and the legend. Now, are you ready to start today's our lesson? Let's see the presentation together. Сәлеметсіңдер ме студенттер? Біздің бүгінгі ағылшын тілі сабағымызға қош келдіңдер. Бүгінгі сабағымыздың тақырыбы миф және аңыз туралы болмақ. Ал сабағымыздың презентациясын бірге тамашалайық.
Okay, students, now let's continue our today's lesson. At first, please write down today's date. Today is the 23rd of September and it's Wednesday. Now, continue on. And today is our new summits, the myths and the legends. The difference between them we are going to learn. At first, please, students, can you answer for all these questions? Have you ever seen a king's castle? Where and when was it? Myths and the legends. What are myths and legends about? What legend is very popular? And now, students, you must write down all these words and learn by heart them. First, repeat them together. Legend, story, person, hero, myth, meaning, popular, and folktale. What are legends? A legend is a semi-true story which has been passed on from person to person. It has own historic facts and heroes. What are myths? A myth is a story based in tradition or legend which has deep symbolic meaning. What are folktales? A folktale is a popular story that was passed on in a spoken form from one generation to the next. Why were these stories told? What do you think, students? There are many reasons why stories are told and passed down the generations. Here are just a few of them. Stories often reflect the beliefs of the people who tell them. And students, let's play the game together. What do you think about this picture? Is it myth, legend, or folktale? Of course, it is legend. And the next, this picture, what do you think about this? Myth, legend, or folktale? Of course, it is myth. And the next picture, myth, what do you think? Or legend, or folktale? Of course, it is folktale. What do you think about this picture? Myth, legend, or folktale? Okay, it is myth. And now, legends about Dombra, Kazakh legends and the myths. Next lesson, we will learn about Kazakh legends and the myths. And now, it's extra information about tales. What kind of fairy tales, folk tales do you know? I think they are very popular and all countries or nationalities, yes, they have their own folk tales. For example, Kazakh folk tale, very popular folk tale is Aldarkusia, Kazakh hero. There are many popular tales and anecdotes about Aldarkusia. And it's Russian hero Ilya Muramis. And then European Western Europe folktale is Cinderella. It's like a fairy tale, European fairy tale. The most famous fairy tale, yeah? And then Robin Hood, American hero, American folktale, popular character of medieval English folk ballads. Whitesnake, it is Chinese folktale. And now, giving homework. At home, you must learn by heart the new words. Write essay about your favorite folk tale. In conclusion, what do you think about our today's lesson? Have you already understood our all today's information? Do you have any questions about our today's lesson? If you have any questions, you can ask and you can write me. Lesson is over. Goodbye, students. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye. See you.